Hey everybody, today we're going to make an easy no-sew mask that you can cut on your Cricut machine or you can just cut with scissors. Let me show you what it looks like. So easy. Hey everyone, it's Lauren from the Cricut team here. I'm outside on a beautiful day crafting, and today we are going to make a no-sew mask. So this is a one-layer mask. It's really easy. I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut Explore machine to cut out the pattern and then ultimately trace it on your old t-shirt. Really easy to make. So there's only a few materials you're going to need to make this no-sew mask. You're going to need a piece of cardstock or paper, your Cricut Light Grip mat, obviously your Cricut machine, a pen, some scissors, and an old t-shirt. So I'm going to search for the no-sew face mask in Design Space. It's really easy. We're going to go up to our search bar. We're going to search no-sew, and then it's going to pull up our patterns here. I'm going to choose the adult no-sew face mask. And then because it's already designed for me, I'm going to go click Make It. And then we're going to go to cut it. Now we're going to take our paper pattern and we're going to trace it onto the t-shirt. What's great about using an old t-shirt is that you can actually make a number of masks out of one t-shirt. So you're really utilizing a lot of your material. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trace around my mask just like this. And then just don't forget to trace in between the slits here on the mask. This is where you're going to cut the ear holes. Just like that. I'm going to trace all the way around. And there we go. Now we're going to go ahead and cut out our pattern. It's really, really easy. I'm actually using the Cricut scissors. If you have fabric scissors, it's definitely preferable, but I actually don't have fabric scissors at home, so I am just using my Cricut scissors. They're pretty sharp, so it works pretty well. And what we're going to do is just cut around our pattern. And the nice thing about using this t-shirt material, which is actually, this t-shirt I believe is a cotton poly blend. Definitely 100% cotton is preferred, but the nice thing about t-shirt material is that it has a little bit of stretch to it, so you really don't have to have these perfect cut crisp lines. I'm going to cut from this side. And then our final cut here. All right, so there's our first cut. Now what we're going to do is cut out the ear hole slits. So a best practice for this is you're going to want to fold it in half, and you can see the line on each side. And what you're going to do is you're just going to follow the line just like this and basically cut out the ear hole. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. There we go. Now you've got 4 slits for 4 ear holes so that you can put on the mask, and I'm going to show you how to put it on. Okay, now we're going to put our face mask on. You're going to take the side that has a little bit of a slope here, and that's going to be the one that you put up to your nose. You're going to take the 2 ear holes, and you're going to put one on one ear, one on the other. And then what I like to do is take the 2 bottom and put this one over my ear just like this, and put the other one over my ear just like this. Then I'm just going to kind of reposition it. Put my hair over, and look, you've got a mask so easy.